Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Just wanted to give you a very quick update as we're heading into the new trading week. The market opens with a slight decline. It is absolutely possible that gold has put in this top in the third wave. Again, in the last video, I think it was the last video, we also took a look at the long-term chart. If you like to have a bit more context, check it out. At the moment, we're just observing and checking if a low has been put in place in a wave 2 correction on the 6th of October. And if we're now already pushing higher towards $2,500 in a third wave. That requires, however, all 5 waves to be completed first, of larger degree wave 1, which again is part of that 5-wave move, and a 3-wave pullback in a wave 2. We haven't got 5 waves yet. I think we might have 3. That would put silver a little bit into trouble because silver, which often moves together with gold, hasn't really reached the third wave target yet. So I would very much prefer for actually gold to push a little higher before it starts the 4th wave, even though gold perfectly reached our ideal target zone for wave 3 here. Yeah, perfect target reached. And I mean, if it turns around here, amazing. I mean, that ellipse has been on the chart for a week or so. I can't remember exactly when we put it, but certainly before we reached the target. And it used the complete ellipse target zone. And if it turns around now, it would be fine. It would be fine. I'm just a bit concerned about silver then. But obviously, this is a gold video. What I did say before is that in a third wave, ideally, we want gold to push a little higher than the 1.618 extension. It did that. It did that very clearly, and it actually reached nearly the 2.618 extension. I'm happy with that. When gold goes, it goes, and it can be very, very quickly, and it can rally very quickly, and that can sometimes cause a bit of FOMO. Now, I would argue there is no need to FOMO because there should be a wave 2 pullback anyway, and that might even take us below the current price range. So I'm currently watching if the top is in. If it breaks below this trend line here, it might indicate that the top is in. And then I'm watching if we pull back into this support zone. Actually, let me add the 38.2 fib level as well. Ideal target for a 4th wave pullback would be 1952, the 38.2 retracement level. The 50% is okay as well, but ideally we don't want it to go below that. That would make further upside in a 5th wave of circle wave 1 very questionable, because what we don't want is a wave 4 to get below the 50% retracement. It makes it very unreliable. Okay, and if we get to that region and then turn around there, it can put this 5th wave in place. And after 5 waves, we're going to watch if it can hold a wave 2 pullback. This correction will be an ABC structure most likely. And if we see a 3-wave pullback into support, which I will then be able to define, then we have our breakout set up for a 3rd wave rally higher, for basically a rally in the main part of a 3rd wave, which would be really aggressive. Okay, so we talk about this 3rd wave of a 3rd wave. So this is what we want to be in, when we're trading this. And yeah, I think these are the main levels to watch for the start of the week. Obviously, if it pushes more directly from here above $2,009, it probably is still in a 3rd wave extension. This is not enough for pullback to suggest that the wave 3 has topped, but we might start to lean towards it if gold breaks below this line here with previous resistance, now basically confirming it for support. But if it goes a little lower, I would start to say, okay, this is now wave 4. Let's see if we can hold 1935 for continuation in wave 5 of 1. So really just a quick express update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you are interested in daily S&P 500 updates and stock updates, check out our S&P 500 and stock service. Link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.